Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to activate or deactivate the alarm on your Casio A164W. As you can see here on the top left corner in the home screen, we can see that we have a few lines. Those are going to signal the fact that the alarm is now activated. In order to deactivate it or to activate it, what we want to do is to press the mode button. We are going to arrive at the settings of the alarm, and I'm going to press the button on the right in order to toggle between the various features. Here we have the hourly beep on. Now we have both the alarm and the hourly beep on. Now both are deactivated. The alarm is on, the hourly beep is on, both are on, and now both are off. Something important to know is that if you press the top left corner in order to start setting the alarm, you will be able to see that the alarm will automatically be activated. So in case you play with this, make sure to know that you are going to activate the alarm. In case you want both features to be off, make sure to have nothing here in the top left corner. Now if I press the mode button in order to arrive once again at the home screen, you can see that both are now off, so the alarm is deactivated. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features, how to set the time and date, how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, how to set the alarm, and also how to use the stopwatch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the guide. And also I have a guide on how to adjust the bracelet and also how to replace the watch battery by yourself at home, including how to do the AC reset. Everything is going to be linked in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.